absolutely delighted to be here. In fact, when I met Mr. Saha first time, he said, "Okay, you can have full day program." I felt it was a wonderful opportunity. I can assure you that during the day, we will not only have a lot of interaction, we'll also have a very entertaining day. Because I personally feel we learn when we enjoy. So there are 5 sessions, and we'll go through non-verbal communications, the importance of non-verbal communications, voice and speech, the public speaking, all about meetings, because I came to know that there are lots of meetings at your level, small meetings, medium meetings or large meetings. So among the meetings we'll have how to prepare for the meeting, physical requirements, the agenda, prepare to attend the meeting. What happens even when I went through a book by Bill Gates, you might have read, 2 books are very famous, The Road Ahead and The Business at the Speed of Thought. What he says, unless the meetings are effective, we tend to lose a lot of money because the time of each of the important people is money. So preparing to attend the meeting, starting a meeting, it's a start. If it's effective, it goes on. If the start is not so effective, that's not so nice. Then conducting the meeting. I think each one of you have to conduct the meeting. The responsibility of the chairman is tremendous. So he has to ensure that the meeting is entirely in order, runs as per time, pleasant atmosphere is maintained. So all these requires a lot of poise and a lot of confidence and relaxed countenance on his part. Then he has to ensure that the meeting is focused on the agenda. Then the minutes have to be prepared. But then the meeting is the preparation of the minutes, which should be very clearly delineate what actually follow-up action is supposed to be taken by whom. Because meeting, once the actions are taken, then only we should consider that meeting is very fruitful. Then we'll have next, facing the media. Media is very important today, as we all know. Media has grown tremendously, and possibly it's not so balanced. If that we can recognize if we see a channel like BBC or CNN, and we compare with our news channels. So they try to create a sensation of everything, which is not so good, but it's a fact. It's a fact of life. They are what they are. And we have to face the media. I think most of you also will have opportunity to face the press or sometimes electronic media in your own places. Then I was informed that there is another serious affair, that is, we have to have interaction with the union. Unions again is a part of life. So we have a little delicate issue on that. Finally, we will also talk about how to prepare an effective PowerPoint, because PowerPoint has also become very important these days. So what are the ingredients, what care we should take to make a PowerPoint which is really effective?